choose mango.
What's up, Bert? I'll take a butcher knife. How's it? A mango tree.
Really good, Tommy.
I don't like that.
It was really simple. I just added sage and mustard
It's nice.
and Worcester sauce.
It makes the stomach feel very good.
Actually, all.
I think I like to have extra sauce.
I'm not too much.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about the sauce, but it tastes good. I actually like the sauce. I don't even like my.
Bonita. What do you want?
It is.
I already eat snake.
Is it him, Gabby?
Look at.
She says
Oh.
What time is it?
These three for that cheese can that we had. That
This is
we're
it?
seeing. I think all of these ones.
Mami quer café. Mami quer café. Beca!
Becca Wacka.
Bonita. Bonita. Mami quer café. Ai, meu amor. Gago.
Oh, meu amor.
You should.
He says, what?
Patricia.
No, he doesn't say.
Patricia. You can name. You can say teach him how to say Patricia.
No, that's very disrespectful.
Why?
And it's my burden.
I should teach him how to say woman.
What? I go melting.
Look, say nacho. Nacho.
He goes, Becca.
I'm sorry, but I will not be able to. I can only get.
I know, it'll be fun. You can probably do some writing. I explained that we were having dinner.
No, rock.
But Gabby, but you can hear it. You don't be able to hear him.
Why don't you talk?
Oi, meu amor. Oi, lindo.
Yeah, Dougie. I don't like the song. It's too lazy for me. This is like my second one. Your song, Gabby? How on earth are you gonna get a summer job? What? Why
What
not?
doing Becca? Becca's turning the camera. Becca, turn the
It's
camera.
on the bird too, Mom. Gabby's scaring the bird. Poor bird.
No, he's dancing. Look, he's dancing with her. Aren't you? Ooh, yes, Lodo. Look, he's dancing too. He likes Gabby's moves.
Nice moves, Gab. It's so much fun. Obviously, we can get out of them.